Welcome to the easy assembly guide for your Rico rechargeable fan. Step 1. Attach the main motor to the base and securely lock it with the knob. Step 2. Fix the handle firmly in place. Step 3. Attach the main motor to the fan. And twist it clockwise to secure it. Your fan comes with C-type charging input and a USB output, allowing you to charge your mobile or other devices in case of an emergency. To adjust the fan speed, press the speed button to cycle through different levels. For oscillation, simply press the oscillation button to turn it on or off. When switched off, the fan will automatically return to the center position. And that's it. Enjoy cool, uninterrupted airflow with your Rico rechargeable fan.